Hi and welcome back. Been back at the cattle farm again, one where I had over 100 in one of my previous videos. Targeted and ambushed some areas where I saw them coming out of, to great effect actually. It was two good shoots this is. I think there's a total of 68 rats, and those of you who watch this video, please bear in mind I've had some questions about the twitching afterwards. The rat is effectively dead, the twitching is literally just nerves. These first two shots, there's the first one of each of the days that I went up early and got a couple of bonus daytime ones just before it went dark. It's quite good. These holes in this dirt bank seem to produce every single time. As you can see, they literally just stick their eyes out, see them on the thermal, and then take them out. This corn feed here, it goes down. You'll see in the next video, or the next part of the video, the next session afterwards, this area was absolutely riddled. I felt someone was watching me, and I was right. Take a closer look at him. I did just get that feeling that something was there. Looked over my shoulder And there he stood. This next area, take a close look, keep it in your mind, promise there's no more clowns, but this area I did actually bait up a little bit, seemed to attract him. Nice little ambush point.
See dead people.
This is session number 2 from this next shot onwards. Those of you who like the heart and lung shot, here's one for you. And here's that corn feed. Just look how many there are. It really was amazing. Couldn't believe me luck. Really tight shot this next one was. Had to be dead accurate. But I pulled it off. Then in this shot, messed it up. But managed to redeem myself. Little shit. Fucking have that. Cheeky little bastard.
You got knocked the fuck out!
I then went for a walk. 20 minutes later, came back, and the corn feed back at it again. And for the last shot, I'll leave you with one of those thundering thud hits that we all seem to like. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I am due to go back up the cattle farm over the weekend. I'm definitely going to target that corn area. I might do the pig farm as well. Do 2 in the one night because they're quite close. Stay tuned.